Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can export contacts from Zoho CRM. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. You can do it easily from the import wizard. So for that, you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box, you need to type in appw.import2.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the sign up page. If you don't have an account, then you need to sign in. So you have a different forms of signing, so you can either sign in using your Google account, Facebook, or your email address. So I'm gonna go with the email address. The first thing, you need to provide your first name, and then you'll need to provide your email address as for the contact information. And then you need to create a password. Providing your information, click on this terms and condition, and then click on sign up, which is right at the bottom. And as you can see that I've successfully created an account. Now you have two different options, that is CSV export and CSV import. Since you're exporting the contacts, so you need to click on new export, and after that you need to enter in the destination from where you're exporting the details or the information. So click on add new collection, and you can see you have a list of options. Now right on top, you need to type in Zoho. As you type in Zoho, you'll be able to see a list of options. Since you're exporting information from Zoho CRM, click on add, and then click on add connections. Now you need to link your account, so for that you'll be asked to enter in the email address associated with your Zoho account. So click on accept, and also make sure to go through all of these information. Since you've already linked your account, now you need to select what you're actually exporting. So click on it, and you'll have a list of category. So select it accordingly. For this video, we are exporting the contacts, so click on contact and then click on start exporting. So once you do this, you'll be taken to another page. Once again, you need to be more specific. So you need to select the contact fields. So for example, I'm going to be exporting account name, assistant phone number, contact image, contact owner name, and then date of birth. You can go on adding. Once you've done this, click on save in the bottom right corner. As you can see that the contact information has been exported. If you want the files to be downloaded, then you can click on this option, that is download CSV, that the contact information is being downloaded and it will be saved on your folder. And in this way, you can export contacts from Zoho CRM. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If the video really did help you, make sure to like, share and comment down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.